welcome to the Hooligan Designs channel. You'll have to bear with me because I'm new to all this. Not actually got a clue what I'm doing, so we'll take it from there. So what we've got coming up on the channel? Well, we've got a Bandit build, which is a Bandit 600 standard, or was until I started cutting bits off of it. We're going to do some bits and bobs with that, mainly squeeze the 1100 GSX-R engine into it, and that's eventually going to be for my sister, so we'll see how that goes. And then we've got the XSR, which I've just put up on the bench now. We've got some modifications going under that. I'm going to change the headlight out, a few bits of maintenance from last year's winter riding and stuff, so we'll get that done. We've got some bits and pieces under there to do on that. We've got some maintenance and stuff to do on the KTM and the XV that's under the cover, so we've got some bits and bobs going on that, and we'll be doing some ride-on videos with the KTM throughout the winter, and then as we move into the summer we'll be back on the XSR, so we'll have that going on in the background. Top of that, we've got some other maintenance stuff going on with some other bikes, bits and bobs here and there, and then hopefully at some point in the future we'll get the TIG welder wired in, and I'm going to teach myself to TIG weld, so that'll be fun. We'll see how that goes. Probably cock a few bits up, make a complete mess of everything, and but we'll do that together, so we'll see how that goes. And lastly, just some tinkering stuff as we go around. Important thing is I haven't got any qualifications, I'm not trained in this, so I'm learning as I go along, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for joining us.